The China International Import Expo is an ideal forum to engage with partners and policymakers for more cooperations, Deinfos CEO Kim Fozin has said. The CIIE is scheduled for November 5th to 10th in Shanghai. It will be the fourth time for the Denmark-based multinational company to participate in the expo.
The CIIE is the ideal forum in which to meet both partners and policymakers and showcase world-leading sustainable technologies that are on offer at Deinfos. During this year's CIIE, we will announce cooperations with several important strategic partners, all of whom are industry leaders in China and around the world. During my meetings with Chinese government officials, they have expressed keen interest in our decarbonization solutions and strategies. This might explain why we have even more important partners signing agreements with us at this year's CIIE.
Fozin said China is Deinfos' second home market, adding that Deinfos' focus on decarbonization aligns with China's green development agenda.
China is a crucial market for Deinfos, and China's focus on the green growth means that we naturally see ourselves as an important part of the Chinese sustainability ecosystem. Developing solutions and technologies here means that we can be closer to the market, which allows us to tailor our solutions to meet the Chinese demands. We see China as our second home market. Our business has grown rapidly over the last 27 years. In our next phase of growth, we look forward to accelerating the green transition in China and to contributing to the achievement of China's dual carbon goals.